Chameleons don't actually change their color to blend in with their surroundings. They change color to communicate. A chameleon's color is used to signal mood, aggression, territory, and mating behavior. The color orange is named after the fruit, not the other way around. Before the late 1500s, the color orange was just known as a type of red. Humans have more than 5 senses. The actual number ranges from 9 to over 20. The main senses are sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But humans can also sense plenty of other things, such as balance, pressure, time, acceleration, pain, and temperature, among other things. Napoleon Bonaparte was not short. At a towering 5'7", he was actually taller than the average man of his time. In France, the average height for an adult male was about 5 feet 5 inches. It is not true that people only use 10% of their brains. Only a small number of neurons are firing at any given moment, but that doesn't mean it's the only thing happening inside your brain. Vikings didn't actually have horns on their helmets. The image of a Viking with a horned helmet is from the 1876 production of Wagner's Der Ring des Nibelungen. People have been mistakenly representing the Viking ever since. Humans didn't evolve from apes, we just share a common ancestor. Bats are not blind. All bat species have eyes and can see. In fact, some species of bat have excellent night vision. Bulls can't see the color red as any different from any other bright colors. It does not enrage them. Rather, the aggressive posturing of the matador is what causes them to charge, not the red cape. Thomas Edison did not invent the light bulb. His was the first practical light bulb that could be used at home and wouldn't burn out, but others had invented similar devices beforehand. It's never actually stated that the forbidden fruit mentioned in the Bible is an apple. Some claim that it was more likely a fig or a pomegranate.